Did you know that the Keyfob for the Kia Telluride has some pretty cool options? From using it to roll down the windows to using it as a hands-free liftgate, it's kind of cool the flexibility this thing has to offer. So let me show you how all this stuff works. This is new for the 2023 model year, and honestly, I gotta say, I love the new look. This looks really, really sharp along the back side of the fob there. So we've got our Kia logo. Along the front side of the fob, same idea, Kia logo there. I like it. This is really sharp. And then we've got all of our buttons along the outside of the fob there as well. It's really cool. So we've got our lock button, we've got our unlock button, we've got our trunk release, we've got our panic or horn alarm button there as well. We've also got our remote start. So all we're gonna do, press and hold. See there, starting up. And then in order to cancel, all we're gonna do is press that same button again, and that cancels the remote start. So very straightforward, but I love the fob, and there are some other pretty neat tricks as well. So if we wanted to roll the windows down using the fob, we can do that. So we're going to press the unlock button twice and hold it on the second button press. So we're gonna go 1, 2, and hold. We can also release it, and that's gonna stop it part way. And then if we do a press and hold again, back down it goes. Now, one thing to note, it is powered down, but it is manual backup again. So one thing I would like to see is that we maybe use the lock button in order to have it global window up, but it is nice that we've got it for global window down. Phenomenal feature. Now, if for whatever reason some of these features aren't working for you, they technically do have to be enabled inside of the media screen. So I'm just going to walk you through that process and where you have to go in order to make it happen. It's really straightforward. We're going to start off in our door settings, which can be found in Setup, Vehicle, so Vehicle Settings, and then Door. And it gives us things like Auto Lock, Unlock. We've got our Powered Liftgate, our opening speed, and then our opening height. So there are 3 individual manufacturer settings with this user selectable height, which means we can adjust the height from the outside. And then we've also got our Smart Liftgate button there. And that Smart Liftgate is the one that's going to let us get into the liftgate or the trunk area completely hands-free. We do have the liftgate auto close button, which means that as we walk away from the vehicle with the fob on us, it's automatically going to shut the liftgate for us as well. And then lastly, we've got the remote window open. So the idea behind the Smart Liftgate is kind of neat. So we lock the vehicle. We do technically have to walk away for a few seconds there. And then as long as we've got the key fob on us, so you've got a bag full of groceries, kids, whatever the case may be, this is cool. Oh. Automatic. It is really neat that's available as an option. And one even cooler thing is that if we walk away and the car doesn't recognize the fob anymore, it's also going to shut that liftgate door for us too. It's really cool. Watch this. Look at it go. Look at it go. I love that we've got that available there as an option. Really cool feature, but if you have any questions, ran into any problems, drop down in the comment section below and let me know. More than willing to talk you through any issues that you might be having. But if you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share it with somebody if you think they might find it useful, and until I see you next time, take care.